This is Bill and Grace Bacus, and our 1-month leave of absence has been approved. We have a lot lined up in this short period of time, and I hope you enjoy our episode. Well, good morning. We are hiking back to the car now. Goodbye, shelter. It was not a very good night for Bill and I. I was snoring and I can feel it in my throat. Bill said it was loud. I was like, whoa, she woke me up. Let's see what happened to the car. That's what we're a little bit worried about. If someone messed with our car, this vacation might be over. Now we're heading to Mount Moosilauke, our first 4K mountain in the north when we were hiking the Appalachian Trail. All right, Franconia Ridge. It's been a couple of years since then, but the hike and the views were very memorable. Since we have our car, we have to pay $5 to park for the day.
So like 3.8.
All right, so we're going to Moosilauke Summit right here, 3.8. And trail goes that way. We have done this before, so we know what to expect, sort of, because we only did it once. And we're very excited. We're gonna go to the waterfalls. We're doing it southbound like last time. But we're not staying at the hostel this time though. We are moving on, hoping maybe we'll reach Franconia Ridge this time around on our next trip. We took our time talking to Gutter Punk, a northbound through hiker of the AT. Then we continued on.
Who knows, maybe they'll even be better.
Just like last time we were here, we are summiting Mount Moosilauke through the Beaver Brook Trail. It is steep, with 3,150 feet of elevation gain over cascade of rocks, woodblock steps, and metal rungs, which may get slippery when wet, especially close to the ravine's edge. But the show of the seemingly endless waterfalls is spectacular. This trail is not for inexperienced hikers. The toe-stubbing roots and shin-slicing boulders are just the beginning. The wooden blocks and slippery rocks will sure slow you down. The 3.8 miles there and back is a definite all-day event for us. You'll see what I'm talking about in a few.
Take the sketchiness of Mount Marcy over coming down this.
Unfortunately, because of the car, we have to go back down this way. Wow.
This is awesome.
Like just us for right now. Hey!
Hello.
If you started hiking from Springer Mountain to here, summiting Mount Moosilauke, you already have about 1,794.4 miles of your through hike. That's pretty impressive. Mentally, it's easy to think the climb is nearly over once into these flat spots, but there's still about 2.3 miles from this spot to the summit. Really quickly, it changed to this. We just kept following the trail, and the trail got narrower and narrower, just pine trees and stuff like this. And the pine trees, wow, this area it's they're a little dead. Eventually, the trail breaks free from the tree line and climbs to the open summit. I hear people.
What's that?
I hear people.
Yeah. There's people behind us.
Are they far?
I don't know, I didn't look.
I'm not gonna lose any more layers.
Okay.
This is saving me from scratches.
Yeah, I know. I thought about that too.
Alright, so no sign of being at the top yet. Here's Bill.
Because we're over a mile from the top.
This is what I look like at the moment. That eventually moment is definitely taking its time to happen. That's the mountain we're climbing. So we're still here. That's it. That's the peak. I mean the top. Still going up. About 100 feet of elevation left. Definitely 160 feet. Very close to the top. Almost. I was so happy when I first saw the openness, which we will see here pretty soon. While hiking this trail, I'm actually reminiscing the moment that happened a couple of years ago. It's so exciting! Ah!
Go!
Whoa!
You're just about there.
Oh man, I'm so excited! Our first 4K mountain in the north. Whoa! Now let's go back to today. Here we go. We made it. Above tree line. Now we're gonna start following cairns. We are almost there. Hiking Mount Moosilauke is one of our favorite hikes on the AT. It's been one of the most memorable, and it's definitely a challenge to summit. Close enough. Yeah, it's past noon. We might not have that first time feeling when we summited this time, but it sure brings back the feeling of excitement of seeing that sign from the summit for the first time. It's pretty much hazy right now. The view, you can't see much, but it's still spectacular. It's around noon and there's a lot of people at the summit.
Nice hat, by the way. I will say they
Here it is.
the view you're not getting. Hello.
Eating some turkey sticks. Bill is eating some granola bars. A lot of people taking their lunches. And then start heading down. One look. Busy lock. Hey, better view. All right, going down. One of the people that was going up says like we're on the moon. That was so funny. All right, here we go. I did not video on our way down because we find it unsafe and we were booking it back to the car. I am about dead.
Well, crappy sleep last night. A very hard hike today.
I gotta find a place to stay. This is bad.
That's why we're driving, because we don't know how long we'll be driving.
Okay.
And you should be monitoring your cell phone signal. Everybody's on right on the left right
Good morning. We are at a KOA and Oh, we got a campsite because hotels here are expensive and we really needed a shower. It's been 4 days since we had our last shower. I'm going to show you this site and of course, oh, I have something on my nose. Forgive that. I'll just delete that part. Of course the fly is up. Hold on a second, let me get up. There's our tent. The towels to cover the light. Here's our car.
The towels dried off a little bit more.
It did. It was raining, I believe, earlier.
You think? It might have been because when I woke up, the map said there was rain in the air. Oh, God. Say, like, if we could just walk there. Well, we could.
Today is Sunday, so we're going to church. Since we're a little early, we decided to walk around the town of Littleton. This is what's going on.
All right, please.
Okay.
Don't like the chicken, please.
What a busy town.
That's right. Put
Oh.
something in
It fell. You silly, silly little squirrel. I think it's mad at us.
I think so too.
Why? We're not doing anything. What? What do you want? We can still see you. You're not truly frozen.
They're so cute.
I know. What? There he is. I guess he's done. Oh boy. He's gone. The car. Here's the car. I'm gonna go back over there.
I'll come. Okay, can we get the car done? We're almost done.
Okay.
I got that twice on it.
Fire, fire.
Fire pits. No oxygen gets down there.